Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than a minute, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I will be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. I have an order at 49 here for some puts. Looks like 48 may be the more accurate entry point. Yeah, 48. Nope, tried. I'm going to change strike prices. I am looking to do options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide. And I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through the terminologies, how they work, and all of that. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people freak out when they see options, and they can be made intimidating, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them more of a simplified way. So if that's how you like to approach things in more simple, straightforward ways, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So like I said, just comment below option guide. And what I'm looking at are these numbers over here. When I put an order in, I'm looking for that number. So let's do this. 47. So I want to buy at 47. So I want to see that number drop down to 47, then go slightly below. And if that occurs, then this line over here will go from white to green. White means I'm trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy. So that's how my screen's working. So I'll pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 47. Like I said, it's getting somewhat close. All right, I'm going to actually once again change strike prices here. $51. So I want to see some further move to the upside. All right, I'll pause. All right, going for a call here at 57. Got that at 57. A call option and out there for $100. If you blinked, you might have missed it. But yeah, that whole trade lasted all of 3 seconds. Right here, you see execution times. So it shows when I was able to buy and sell. So $100 in 3 seconds. I'll take that. Very good. If this thing wants to pull back some more, I will be ready. Once again, down there at 51. Let me just double check. Yeah, 51. So we'll see if this thing wants to make a deeper pullback here. I will pause, but nice start to the day. $100 scalp. But if this thing wants to pull back, maybe I should just be hopping right here again on the VWAP there, that dash yellow line. Yeah, in hindsight, there it goes. We'll see what happens. I'll pause. I should also note some context. I'm done at 10 o'clock today because at 10, there's some speeches going on that I just don't want to be part of, because with speeches, somebody says one word, or maybe they say it in some sort of tone, and the market can just go bonkers in either direction. And there's other stuff that I can be doing with my time. So it's really a question of, do I want to spend my time putting myself in that type of environment? Now, to be fair, maybe the spike goes in your favor, but also maybe it doesn't. And it just feels like too much of a coin flip environment. I don't like when there's key speeches going on. And there's two important ones going on. You know, and if I have other things I can do with my time, you know what, I'm just going to go use my time for those other things. So 9:41, still have 19 minutes. But that is definitely the plan. So, you know, only 30 minutes to trade today for those reasons. So we'll see what else I can find. Of course, I'm not going to force stuff. It needs to be quality trades, but that's my game plan right now is, I guess at this point, worst case scenario, if I don't find anything, hey, I'm still walking away with $100 in 30 minutes, which is kind of crazy. When you consider that, you know, if somebody were to tell you they make $50 an hour, you'd be like, wow, $50 an hour. And here's $100 in 30 minutes. So, like, so that's worst case scenario. There's still plenty of time to get another trade or two, but that's the current kind of context. I will pause. I have an order at 49 here for a call. So it's close for a second. Okay, getting close. gonna actually get probably about 48.20. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 48.50 here. Let's see, now it's trading. Let's go to 48 instead. There we go. All right, I will pause. I do my best not to miss the entry point. Sometimes these things can snap down, so I'm trying to err on the side of caution, but all right, I'll keep it going here. Again, watching this number down here. Want to see it go slightly below 48, which would turn this white to green, meaning I have been able to buy. All right, I will pause. Okay, maybe here. I'm gonna go to 47.50. I think that is a possibility here. I'm at even 47 possibly. Just needs to come down a bit more. I really don't like how it's pausing above that number like that. I'm going to change strike prices. Go to 49 here. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 57 here for a put option. No. I was just sitting there on the bid. It is 10:45. I've been watching these speeches. I had a couple of changes in our schedule behind the scenes. So actually allotted me some more time, but also, like I said, it's been 45 minutes since the last time you heard, or more than that, because before then it was, I think I still had like 19 minutes if I remember right. That might be a lie. I don't quite remember. So yeah, it's been almost an hour because I've just been observing, and yeah, not a whole lot of, let me put it this way. I feel comfortable trading. Maybe that's going to prove to be stupid. But based on what I'm seeing, it's more so politicians just giving little speeches compared to the main person. Okay, I will go ahead and pause, but there's a quick little update. I have an order at 56 here for a call. It looks like 54 may be the more accurate level. Or maybe I should have left it there. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 51. Nope, not filling me. I thought that was gonna be a very quick fill. I don't know. At this point, I feel like it seems like I'm trying to fit a square peg through a round hole. This is up right at, so this isn't by no means terrible. Although right now looking like I could. $49 maybe? No, look at that. Can't even get in at 49. So this has now become a situation where if I'm going to get filled, I just have to accept the fact that I'm going underwater on it, essentially very quickly, because that's the only, I'm going to change strike prices. But that's the only way that any of this is going to happen. So knowing that, I'm just going to try to throw out a fishing order up here, see if it can maybe quickly go up there and hit me. And like I said, it needs to be a relatively quick fill. So I'll pause. And actually talking out loud there, yeah, I just need to be done. Always a tough decision because yeah, I'd like to keep trading. I'd like to make more than $100. I did not hit my goal, and so yeah, always a disappointment when you don't hit your goal. But like I said, and their speech is still going on. So it's just one of those things where I'm trying to listen to the speech, and there's just officially now there's other better things I could be doing with my time, but I'm trying to justify it by trying to stay here. But as I talked out loud, which is sometimes these videos are almost therapeutic in a sense, just I'm talking to you but I'm also revealing my thoughts in my head. And when you hear your thoughts out loud, which maybe that's why a lot of traders talk out loud to themselves, so they're actually hearing what they're thinking. But yeah, I just need to be done. So tough decision, but I think it's the right decision. I say think because maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm about to get some awesome action that would have gotten me up over my goal, but that's all hindsight, and hindsight's 2020. So yeah, tough decision, but I'm going to go ahead and call it good here. So yeah, $100 did not hit my goal, but it is what it is. So if you appreciate these, hit that like button. If you want to learn more about options, then like I said, comment down below option guide. And now of course it's making a move upwards, but yeah, I'm calling it good. So all right, thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Let me know if you want that option guide. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.